begin. Bring yourself into a wide-legged child's pose, toes touching as the knees open wide towards the edges of the mat. Let your hips sink back towards your heels, arms reaching forward, forehead resting gently down. Begin to softly roll the forehead from side to side, a slow, soothing motion, massaging away any lingering tension behind the eyes and across the brow. Let the breath be easy, unforced, as the body settles into the earth. Tense the fingers, lifting the palms slightly, creating a subtle openness through the shoulders and upper back. A gentle awakening through the arms, while the hips remain heavy and grounded. Now slowly walk the hands back towards the knees, lifting the torso and coming into tabletop. Begin to move through some slow barrel rolls, letting the chest lead as you circle the upper body. Move gradually, exploring the full range of the spine. Pause, switch directions, noticing how the movement feels different on the second side. Find stillness on all fours and begin to shift the hips forward and back, then side to side. Allow the movement to stay slow and taking the shape that feels supportive in your body today. Return to a neutral tabletop. Inhale as you sweep the arm up towards the sky, opening the chest. Exhale as you thread the right arm beneath the left, lowering the shoulder and resting the side of the head. Wrap your left arm around the back or keep it grounded. Let your body decide today. Breathe into this gentle twist. Now gently unwind, returning to tabletop. Inhale as you lift the left arm to sky, opening through the chest. And exhale as you thread the arm underneath the right and wrapping the right arm if it feels good. Let the weight of the body melt into the mat, breath flowing steadily, creating space across the upper back and neck. Slowly release and return to tabletop once more, walking the hands forward, keeping the hips lifted as you ease into puppy pose. Let the chest slowly melt downward, as the forehead comes to rest. Bring the palms together and lift the hands so the thumbs rest gently on your upper back or base of the neck. Allow the body to sink and be held by this pose. Release your hands down and walk them back beneath the shoulders as you shift forward onto your belly, arriving in Cobra pose. Inhale as you gently lift the chest, keeping the elbows soft. Exhale as you lower down. Place the hands mat distance, tent the fingers, and begin to move through some gentle waves with the upper body, letting the heart rise with each inhale and lower back down with each exhale. Slowly lower yourself all the way down to your belly. Extend the left arm out to the side, palm pressing into the mat, while the right hand rests by your chest as you draw the right foot back, planting the toes behind you. Use your right hand to support you and gently lift and open the chest, allowing the body to ease into this soft, supported twist. Return to your belly and move to the other side, extending the right arm out and draw the left toes behind you as you use your left hand to push you into this twist. Release yourself back onto your belly. Press into the hands as you come back up into tabletop. Begin to move through 3 slow cat-cows. Inhale as you arch the spine, lifting the heart. Exhale as you round, drawing the chin to chest. Inhale, open the heart forward, shoulders slightly back. Exhale, draw the belly in and round. Last time, inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, press the spine upward, curling through the back. Return to a neutral spine. Send the hips back, cross at the ankles, and bring the legs forward into a seated staff position. Lengthen through the spine. Flex and point the feet a few times. Now draw the knees in towards the chest, wrapping the arms around them in a soft, comforting hug. And slowly extend the legs forward, folding into a seated forward fold, grabbing hold of the knees. And let the head and shoulders soften as the body releases into the stretch. Release the hug, extend the legs out, and let the body stretch deeper into this pose. Let the torso rise. Bring the right ankle to rest over the left knee, settling into seated pigeon. Place the hands behind you for support, pressing lightly into the mat as you open the chest softly. Double seated pigeon, lowering the left leg, bringing the right leg over top of the left. When you're ready, allow the torso to soften forward, folding gently over the legs. Now lift the upper body. Bring the right elbow and guide it towards the right sole of the foot, bringing the hands together in prayer. Breathe deeply, noticing any tension in the hips, and let yourself soften. Release the twist. Place the hands behind you and begin to move through some windshield wiper. Letting the knees drop from side to side and the hips move freely. Now shifting to the other leg, seated pigeon, left ankle over the right knee. Hands come behind you as the chest naturally draws forward. Slowly lower the right leg and draw it over, allowing the left ankle to rest for double seated pigeon. Fold over the legs. Upper body rises, and guide the left elbow to the sole of the left foot for a gentle twist. Release from your twist and find a comfortable cross-legged seat, placing the hands behind your head, and begin gentle neck rolls, letting the head move slowly in its own rhythm, keeping the shoulders soft and the breath relaxed. Switch directions. And find a neutral spine, releasing the hands down by your sides. Shoulder rolls, lifting the shoulders up towards the ears, and then let them melt back and down. Move at your own pace. Now allow the shoulders to settle. Rest the hands on your thighs. Take a deep, cleansing breath in through the nose. Open the mouth and sigh it out, letting the body relax fully. Repeat once more, breathing in deeply and releasing completely. Pause in this stillness, allowing the breath to return to its natural rhythm. Take a few moments here, maybe closing your eyes, to absorb the effects of the practice, letting the body soften and the mind settle.